Hello, YouTube! This is TrainBoy54. This is another unboxing and checkout video. We're gonna be having a look at Percy and the tanker. Whoa. I've never seen Percy covered in water with fishes and crabs before. But there's a troublesome truck carrying one barrel, and the tanker, well, looks like it's leaking from the top somehow. Well, let's get Percy and the tanker out of the box and have a look at it up close. Oh, this little plastic thing holds the barrel in the freight car. That was pretty tricky, wasn't it? Okay, let's have a look at this up close. Well, here's Percy. There's his happy face. Yeah, look at him. Covered in water with fishes and crabs. Well, just one crab. And another crab on the other side? Well, this Percy looks nice. Now this yellow troublesome truck. Well, it's just only the one barrel that's being carried in the truck somehow, sadly. Oh, and this truck rolls real smooth, too. Of course, it is a troublesome truck. I'm not going to go over about that rear coupling still. But the tanker... Well, it's a troublesome tanker. Oh, it's leaking on this side as well. Oh, no wonder. Well, does it roll smooth or... Oh. It wiggles and rolls along. Must be because of the wheels. Let's give Percy some batteries and see how he works before we give him a test run. Oh, he works brilliantly. Let's get Percy coupled up to his cars, then give him a test run. Okay. Now we've got Percy and the tanker on the track. Let's give him a test run and see how he goes. Look at the tanker car shaking along. Oh yeah, of course, I've got Thomas and Terrence and Henry and Winston out as well. That's a good run for Percy and the tanker. We'll get Thomas and Terrence and Henry and Winston running as well. Oh, Percy's coming up behind Winston. Oh, that was a bit of a push. And there goes Thomas and Terrence with the tree. I think we'll just give Percy a stop there. I'll bring Thomas and Terrence up next to Percy. And here comes Henry with Winston. There. Well, not only that's my unboxing and checkout of Percy and the Tanker, but also I finally got all those 3 Trackmaster Revolution Greatest Moments train packs here. Thomas and Terrence, Percy and the Tanker, and Henry and Winston. Well, that's all for now. Thanks for watching. This is TrainBoy54 saying stay tuned for more TrainBoy54 videos of 2022. Bye. And thanks for watching.